Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So this is a perfect time. Okay. Now I am turning on the real camera. Still, I have my little microphone with me. Oh. Another car passing by. Perfect. Okay. See, it is blue. Did you see it is blue? I will use much less effort to talk. And now let's take a look how it works. I put on my little microphone. So we are walking along the creek. And I will not go too deep. It's almost evening time. Okay, so this is the same place, and I am talking without microphone. And I put my microphone inside my little pocket. Okay, this is the comparison. And I didn't have my microphone right now. I'm just to talk like this. And it's quite dark now. But the camera, I think it can work with lower light. And I have not yet turned on any special effect because it's so new. I do not know how to control the light and how to set up the low light, high light. It's just naturally the iPhone by itself picking up the light. Maybe I should put a little bit color on my lips. Give me 1 short minute. Okay, let's do some. A little bit better, right? Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye bye. So silly.